Hey there. Today we're going to talk about e-commerce and how to integrate a few different providers into Sparkle. So I'm going to start with a new website and show you how to add embedded elements there. That this is the previous website. So let's start with a new website in Sparkle. So, what are we going to talk about? First, I want to show you a few websites which have been built with Sparkle using a few different commerce providers. So, this one I can put the link in the video description later. This one sells delicious cookies, and as you see, the purchase button shows up here. If I click that, I get a purchase window and the option to add it to my basket. The basket shows up on the side of the Sparkle window seamlessly, and I can go on to pay for the contents of my basket. And this is all done using Shopify. So Shopify has all this pre-built checkout feature using PayPal, or I guess this is an account. I'm not sure. I'm sorry. I don't read French too well. So this is a plain Sparkle site with some embedded buttons. Next, this is a shop that sells olive oil related items, and so this is the simple shop page, and there are a few, I think these are categories. If I click on them, I go into a grid view of the content. This is all done using a service called ecwid, e-commerce widget. And as you see, there's a buy now button on each item, and it creates a cart for you and a checkout flow. And so this is again just a plain Sparkle page with an embed at the center. And last, I wanted to show you a very simple integration of a PayPal button. So it has a buy now button here, and this just sends me to PayPal as you are familiar with. So let's try to add these to a Sparkle website and start from the simplest, I guess. So start with PayPal first. So this is PayPal setup. So all you have to search for on Google is PayPal button, and you get let's see, actually it's pretty simple, paypal.com buttons, and you get this page here where you can create different kinds of buttons. So I'll just add a buy now button. So let's say I'm selling a Sparkle sticker. And it's €20 because it's a really nice sticker. And you can have different customization options. Shipping is going to be free, no taxes, and these are going to be sent to me. And I create the button here. Let's see what happens. Okay, so this is the content I need to embed in Sparkle. So I copy this, I go to my Sparkle page, I add an embed and paste my PayPal code in here. And there you have the buy now button. So buy my sparkle sticker. And let's open a new Safari window for that, for a preview. Okay, so this might not be working because I'm using it might be that PayPal needs me to publish this to a regular website, so I'll just go on and publish it to a staging area. Oops. All in real time. So, publish it there. See the publish working. Okay. So now you see. Oh no, I know why it didn't work. I have Sparkle open on my other user account. Okay, so no preview here. Anyway, you have the buy button here, and what happens is when you click it, it says it goes to the PayPal payment. I'm not logged in here, so you won't see anything, but this works. Next, let's try to set up. So the PayPal, actually let's talk about PayPal for a second. You might see that in the box here there is some information about me, so like my business address, my email address for my PayPal business. So this is where the funds would be credited. The problem with having this in your page is that someone might hack the form and have the payment sent to them. It's an unlikely occurrence, but to be safe, what you can do is log into PayPal and encrypt the form, so the content of this will be encrypted and tied to your email or to your PayPal account in a different way, and so that will make for a safer form. So next we can check ecwid. I just created an account here and I don't have anything here. So let's see, I created the account. I have to create an online store. Let's say I have a website, other platform, and this adds the store to my site. So let's say I want to add the grid like I showed you earlier. So let's try adding this code here. I'm switching with Common Tab over to here and add the shopping cart. So this adds a product grid here. Paste the code in and save. And again, I'll publish this. again open it in the preview here, and here you see a grid is showing up. Sorry about that. And I have a sample shop here. This is a fake shop, and I can go to the control panel to add the proper products in. So proceed to the next step. This step here I'll skip for now. It improves email notifications to your customers. That's not a problem right now. And let's go to the next step. Oops, needs it. Okay. Let's pretend this is the page, the start page. Now I'll add a product, and the product is a sparkle sticker. See, I have an image here. So put it in here. Nope. Load the image. Sparkle sticker. €20. Save. Okay. So what's the next step? Delete the demo catalog. Okay. So now my sample website contains my sparkle sticker product. Like I showed you on the olive oil website. If I click here, this shows the shopping cart inline within my page, and lets me go to checkout. So this is a fully working e-commerce site, just by copy pasting a simple piece of code, and so what's going on here? Just remove these. So this was ecwid. Again, I just signed up and did nothing more. I just you saw me. Perhaps I added my email address in the create account phase. Now let's try Shopify. Here I did a quick test, but I'll do it over. So start over. So this is my ecwid, which isn't showing within the canvas, but that's fine. It shows in the publish site. So now here I'll add a product. And again, I'll add a sparkle sticker. The best sparkle sticker. Add an image. €20 price. Physical product. It's a heavy sticker. Save the product. So this is a Shopify product I created. Now here I have added the sales channel buy button. Shopify has this concept of sales channels, so they can create a whole website for you, or sell via Facebook, etc. I just added the buy button sales channel. So now I press on the buy button. I want to create a buy button here. I'll select my sticker as a product to use for the buy button. And here I have options of how I would like the product to show on the page. So let's say make it perhaps like this. Line, you can have different options for what it should look like. And then it's simply about pressing generate code and copying the code. Now this code, in the same way I did for the ecwid, I'll just add a new embed and paste it in here and publish. Now we can go to the page here, wait for the publish to complete. It's published. I reload here, so now I have my ecwid, and this is my Shopify button on my website. So again, here I can see how the checkout experience is. I'll press add to cart, and this is the Shopify generated cart. If I press checkout, it will open my checkout window. As I showed you earlier, this works with the cookie site. It doesn't work here because I would need to sign up for Shopify and buy a hosting plan with them. I didn't do that now. They have plans with different prices, so that's up to you if you choose Shopify. I think Shopify has a minimum of $9 per month, whereas ecwid has a free plan for up to 10 items, if I recall. So these are the two different options you have. And in addition to the PayPal button option. That's all for today. Do you have any questions? Anything I can show? Oh, here the embed seems to be cropped. Okay, so that's all for today. Hope you liked it, and please leave any questions in the comments.